here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins.
Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. It's day 5 of Vlogmas. Let's go change the day. 20 days till Christmas. I finally got my early start today, y'all. Look, it's still daylight and everything outside. It is, I think it's 2 o'clock, but I've been up all day. All morning, I'm just now starting the vlog. But I'm gonna take a shower so we can get the day started. I don't know what is in store for today. I don't have nothing else scheduled. Might go get something to eat. We'll see. We'll just see as everything goes. But I'm gonna take a shower, put some clothes on. I'll be back. Okay, I'm dressed. We're gonna go get something to eat. So we're gonna go to Churros. Churros is better than Chipotle, and that's just facts. Go in there and then walk past. So let's go. Food is secure. Yeah, don't be sleeping on Sir Churros, y'all. Cause if we talking about Sir Churros and Chipotle, Sir Churros is that girl. But we're at Waffle House right now picking up my mom's food and my sister's food. So I'm tired, y'all. I wanna go home and go to sleep. I really don't wanna do nothing today. I'm just, yeah. Anyway, hopefully we can put up the tree today though. Be more festive, get in the spirit a little bit. But yeah, go home and play my game some more. Try and get into this Bratz game a little more. See what all I gotta do in it. My head, the back of my head hurts. Did I bump it or something? I feel like it's like something done just rammed in the back of my head or something. I don't know what it is, but that junk is hurting. I don't know, but I don't like that. Anyway, I'll check in with y'all when I get home. I'm back home, y'all. Finna eat because I'm starving and I'm tired, and this food probably gonna put me in a coma after I eat it, so I might go to sleep for a little while. But yeah. Oh Lord. Comment down below y'all's plans that y'all have for Christmas or December, or any winter activities that y'all do. Let me know. But yeah, I'm finna eat. Now that's a burrito bowl. I'm gonna read y'all what I get in mine. So I get the loaded bowl with, I either get grilled chicken or ground beef, but I usually don't like to get meat because I really don't be eating meat a whole lot. But in this one I got grilled chicken, I got rice, shredded cheese, pico, corn salsa, cilantro, fresh jalapenos, squeezed lime, sour cream, extra sour cream, Sir Churro sauce, and sometimes I get the cilantro ranch. But yeah, that's my order. Hey vlog, I just woke up just as I thought. I fell asleep right after I ate my food. I've been asleep for like 4 hours, but I'm up. I got a few things that I have to do and a few things to show y'all. I got a few packages that came. Some of it is for my photo shoot, so I'm not gonna show y'all all of it, but I'm gonna show y'all a few things. I'm so excited for that video. But I also just filmed my unboxing for my wig, for my next wig video. It's probably, I think, the last wig video. Yeah, this is the last wig video of the year that I have to do for a company. So I just filmed that, and then I'm gonna also prep that wig so I can do that video sometime this week. Because after that, I'm getting a silk press, girl. And I'm gonna bring y'all with me to get my silk press, of course. I know y'all been wanting to see some more videos with my natural hair. I don't know when I'll be able to book it for. I gotta see her availability, but if I have time in between, I'll actually show y'all some videos of me doing stuff with my curly hair. If not, then y'all just see me get the silk press, and I'll do curly hair after my silk press is done for and I don't wore it for months. So yeah, I'm gonna go show y'all what I got in my packages. Oh, and I want to make some fruit dips I was telling y'all about in my last video, because I was just so upset that I can't dip them strawberries in that cheesecake thing because it just don't taste right. But it tastes good with the graham cracker crumbles. But I still want some fruit dip to dip my strawberries in, so I'm gonna make that, and I'm gonna show y'all how I make it as well. So yeah, let's go open my packages though. This is the wig that I just unboxed, by the way, which is actually perfect for the photo shoot because I know what hairstyle I want, so it's literally perfect, and everything just lined up perfectly because I should still have it in by the time I do the photo shoot and all my stuff comes in the mail. I still have a good bit of stuff that's still coming this week for the photo shoot, so yeah. But this is the wig. It's a body wave wig, 26 inches, perfect for the hairstyle, which y'all will see in the photo shoot vlog. To prep it, all I'm gonna do is be bleaching the knots and plucking. I do have a video coming out on bleaching knots. It will be on the wig that I have on my head right now. I did it on this hair, so I will be showing y'all how I bleach my knots. I never showed y'all how to pluck, and I don't think I'm gonna do a plucking video. I mean, I can, but I just feel like I'm not gonna explain it very well. I don't know, because it's just like I don't know how to explain that for real. It's plenty of plucking videos on YouTube, so you know, you can look at those. But yeah, this is the wig I gotta prep. So yeah, I also gave y'all exact measurements in the bleaching knots video, so like the exact measurements for perfect consistency for bleaching knots. So yeah, I did all that for y'all so you can get it right every time. So be on the lookout for that video. But here are my packages. I don't think I'll be able to show y'all what's in this box because this will be a giveaway for one of the photo shoot concepts, like a dead giveaway. So I don't know if I'll be able to show y'all this one, but I'm gonna show y'all this other stuff. So this is, I don't mind showing y'all this concept. I just don't want to show y'all like the big ones, like the big main ones. This is just like one of the basic ones. So it's a pajama set. I'm doing like a, you know, Christmas pajama look with a teddy bear. I got the inspo for that one off of TikTok. I think that's the only concept. Yeah, that's the only concept that I got off of TikTok. My other two concepts I just came up with on my own. I've never heard of anybody doing it. I've never seen anybody else do it. So not saying that nobody has, but I've just never seen it or heard of anybody else doing it. So I came up with that one on my own. And then the other one I would say was also an inspo because somebody has done it before, but I'm doing mine a little bit differently than theirs. So yeah. And then I have a fourth concept that I also came up with that I've never seen anybody do or heard of anybody do. So if no one has ever done those two that I'm telling you about, I've never heard of or seen anybody do, if no one's ever done them, just know where it came from. Just know where it came from after I post mine. But yeah, I came up with my other three concepts. Well, I came up with two of the concepts on my own, and then this one right here was an inspo, but it's gonna be different from theirs. And then this one is like pretty much the exact same concept as the person did that I saw do the pajama look. It's the exact same concept as theirs. So yeah, I'm excited for the two that I came up with, but I'll explain all that in the photo shoot vlog. And by the way, I'm doing my photo shoot myself, so y'all will see everything, every single thing, everything that's going into it, into each concept, and I'll be explaining to y'all how I came up with it and like my whole idea around everything. So yeah, but this is a pajama set. This is so cute. It's like the Christmas type of plaid, like the holiday plaid, you know. So here are the pants. What size did I get? I think I got it in a medium because I wanted to be a little oversized. But these are the pants. They have a drawstring waist. You know, I'll be able to tighten the waist because I know this waist is too big for me. But that's what these look like. They're so cute. I can't wait to do this one with the teddy bear. I'm excited to show y'all everything too because like I said in the day one vlog, it was just some issues I had with that, and I ended up just doing the thing myself. Even though I've never done anything like this before, so I really don't know what I'm doing. Like the concepts that I'm trying to do are pretty difficult, so that's why I really needed a photographer for it. But I figured out myself. I'll make it look as good as I can. And then here's the top. I'm gonna tie this up, like I'm gonna tie it up in the front so it's like cropped, and I'm just like, you know. So that's this one. I can wear this too because I want to do like a pajama night with my cousins and stuff, and like have food and games and everything like that. So I can still wear this again unless we all do a matching pajamas. Then I'm gonna have to get another one unless they all get this. There's that. I think this is the one I can't show y'all. Yeah, it's not like I'm just completely clueless about taking pictures because I did my own pictures for my website when I relaunched my website like 2 years ago. I insert those. My sister helped me with those. Like I set up everything and she took the pictures, which I also can take my pictures myself because I have like a clicker remote, but it's just easier with stuff like that if I have some help. So she did those, so she'll be helping me with this photo shoot as well. And I feel like those came out pretty good and like good quality and everything. And I took those with my phone, so I might take them on my phone with this photo shoot or use my camera that I'm recording on. But yeah, just know if everything goes exactly how I imagined it to, we finna step on this photo shoot. I'm gonna do some TikToks with it too, so y'all follow me on there. Oh yeah, this is the one I can't show y'all. And I gotta make a skirt for this one. This concept, I gotta sew a skirt with this fabric. I can't even show y'all the fabric because it's gonna be a dead giveaway. Well shoot, I ain't even gonna take this out the box because it's so big. I'm just leaving it in the box for the photo shoot. But it's perfect. So there's this one. And my other stuff is coming this week. Let me see, let me check Amazon because I literally got all my photo shoot stuff off of Amazon except this big box right here and the hat I'm wearing for the concept that's in this big box right here. Both of those came from Etsy. I'll tell y'all where everything came from in the photo shoot vlog, but everything else I got off of Amazon. Literally everything. Okay, so the rest of my stuff for this concept will be delivered tomorrow. My backdrop stand will be delivered tomorrow as well. I have a backdrop stand, but something is broken on like 2 of the side poles, and it still works, but it's just frustrating to deal with, so I just bought a whole new one. The 2 things for the concept that I came up with on my own that I've never seen anybody do or heard of anybody doing, that will be here Wednesday and next Wednesday, and some of it is coming Saturday. Yeah, I'm excited because when everything is here, I'm doing a photo shoot like within the next few days of it being here, so I can get out of that wig, so I can get my silk press done because I'm ready to wear my hair. Okay, let's open this one. I already know what this one is. This is the, they call these light reflectors for photo shoots. I don't have these. I literally have like big old lights, the big box lights that I used in my photo shoot for my brand pictures. I got like 2 or 3 of those. I got a ring light, I got a backdrop stand. I got a green screen. I got a whole bunch of stuff, but I don't have no light reflectors. So I got some of those because I know these make a bit of a difference. And of course, I'll get more use out of it because, you know, I take pictures anyway. I'm excited though. Like, I feel like this photo shoot is going to like pop off. It's going to be so good. They sure not as big as I thought. I think I was going to make my own and just get a piece of cardboard and wrap it in aluminum foil. But I got this one because it has like different tones and it has a little case for it. So I was like, might as well just get this. I'll open it. This is newer. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's the same brand of my ring light. Okay, it is big. It was just folded. I thought this came with multiple colors. Why do I only have one color? Or are they inside of here? Anyway, this is the light reflector, as you can see, because it's supposed to come with like 3 other colors. Maybe it's in here because you do unzip this. They will be here for me if it ain't in here. Okay, they're all in here. So it's just one big thing. They have a gold side, so like a warm tone. They got the silver one and they got this white one. And it say black. I guess the black part is just the other side of this. Yeah. Okay, I got the back collapsed, but yeah, I'm excited for this photo shoot, y'all. Like, if this goes how it's planned, y'all not ready. Like, I'm so excited. And it's gonna be so hard because we're doing it ourselves. No photography experience, just the little stuff I know from taking my own pictures and editing my own pictures, like for Instagram and stuff. Or like when I do product pictures for my brand and just watching little different stuff on YouTube. Like, it's gonna be 10 times harder. But yeah, I sent all my concepts to this guy in North Carolina, and I hope that he didn't read them and then like plans on stealing my concepts for like some of his bigger clients, because he works with a lot of influencers, like big influencers. Well, I won't say a lot of influencers, but a few that I follow, big influencers. I really hope like he didn't read my stuff and then steal my concepts, then post them before I do, and then act like they did it first or whatever. Because like I said, I've never seen anybody do the 2 that I actually need a photographer for. Like, because the other 2 I could have did myself. Like, I know I can do 2 of them myself, but the 2 big ones that I'm trying to do, I needed a photographer for that. And I sent him every single concept, like described them all. I sent it to like the contact where you contact him at. He has his contact information in his bio. I sent everything, every single detail of all my concepts, and he didn't reply, which is part of the reason I'm having to do stuff myself. And another photographer did the same thing. I contacted them under the little contact form that you're supposed to fill out. Like, why do y'all have that if you don't answer it? So, you know, it is what it is. But like I said, just know 2 of the concepts I came up with on my own. And if you see anybody in North Carolina with the concepts after I post mine, or if they come out before I post mine and I see it, just know where they got it from, because that dude is from North Carolina. And like I said, I described the entire thing like in full of detail. I sent pictures and everything of what I wanted. So like I said, I hope he didn't read it and then just didn't respond, or like, 'cause you know, some people do stuff like that, or like he genuinely just has so many messages that he didn't see mine. But I'm just really hoping that it's not like, oh, you just read all my concepts and you finna steal them for somebody else, which I don't know why you would do that, because like I was still gonna pay you, like, you know, I'm still pay you to do it. So I don't know why you would have to do that, or why you would steal it. But you know, people do that for like, you know, influencers and stuff, or like, ooh, let's do this right here, like for like, you know, bigger influencers or like celebrities and stuff like that, celebrity influencers. Oh, let's do this right here that you done stole from somebody else. People will do stuff like that now, so I'm not ignoring that. Like, I'm very much keeping that in mind. He saw it and could possibly steal my concepts. Like I said, I've never seen anybody else do them, so it will be a very big coincidence if I all of a sudden see somebody do it in North Carolina before I post mine, or even after I post mine. But yeah, that's all my packages. I'm excited about the photo shoot. I can't wait for y'all to see it. And the photo shoot vlog is gonna be a long day unless I split it up and do it like that, but it's gonna be a long day. It'll probably take me the entire day to do this. So I actually might split the photo shoot vlog up into 4 different vlogs, because I don't know if I'll post them all at the same time. I'm gonna post them, like, I'm not gonna post all of the concepts in one day. I'm gonna post like one every few days. So I might just do the vlog like that, because I don't want to show y'all like in the vlog the concept and like y'all see all the behind the scenes and then like you haven't seen the pictures yet. Like, I want y'all to see the pictures first, then see the behind the scenes. So I might do them one at a time, so I don't have to edit 4 different concepts in 24 hours so the vlog can go up the next day. But I can do one concept at a time, so I might do it like that. I'm excited. But yeah, okay, now what I want to do now, let's go make this fruit dip, because I want some. Even though I'm not gonna eat it right now, I'm gonna eat it after I finish prepping this wig. But I'm gonna make it now. No, I should prep the wig now, because the cream cheese got to sit out and it ain't been sitting out long enough. So let's go prep this wig, my last wig for a company company for the year. I say for a company because I have like 2 other wigs in my room that's not for a company. They're Amazon wigs. I know y'all love my Amazon wig videos, cheap Amazon wig videos at that. I have 2 of those in my room, so I might do those for the year's over with, or I actually might do those while I have my silk press. That'll also work out with one of the wigs. But this is my last wig of the year for a brand, and my last lace wig anyway, I think. But I also want to do a synthetic wig video, like actually install one and melt it, because I know some of y'all been wanting to see that as well. So I wanted to do that before I got my silk press, because like I said, I'm wearing my silk press for a long time. So it's gonna be my hair for a little minute, so I won't be wearing wigs for real. So I'm trying to get all my wig stuff out before I go get my silk press. I might make that one of my Vlogmas videos, like installing a synthetic wig after I do this wig in here. And then when I got my silk press, I can do the other wig, the Amazon wig, because you know I need leave out for it, and it'll work with my silk press. So I won't mess up my silk press with that wig. I don't have to spray nothing, none of that, glue nothing down. It ain't gonna be none of that. So it'll work with my silk press. But we'll see, we'll see. So let's go prep this wig, because I got to do that this week. So be on the lookout for that video, and be on the lookout for the video on this hair. That should be dropping this week as well, after the company approves it. And yeah, okay, let's go, so I can eat some fruit dip. I really hope that photographer don't do me like that, because like I said, people will really do that, like especially for bigger influencers. Like, oh yeah, let's do this right here. They know it'll get a lot of exposure because you know it's a big influencer, so they know it'll pop off. So like I really hope it's not the case, because yeah, like I said, not saying that he would do that, the photographer I'm referring to, not saying that he would do that or he's the type of person to do that, but like I said, I don't know him and I don't know what the case is. Like, you know, people, you know, I don't know him, so you know he very much could do that. Not saying that he would though. Okay, let's prep this wiggy. Alright y'all, so my wig is all prepped for my next video. Don't mind the noise, it's the fan. The wig is over there drying. But yeah, my wig is all prepped. I just showed y'all that. Now I'm gonna go in here and make this fruit dip. So let's go. Okay, 1 block of cream cheese. Boop. 1 cup of powdered sugar. 1 cup of heavy cream. I done made a mess. And half a tablespoon of vanilla. Oh, that's more than half. Vanilla. And mix, mix, mix. And voila, fruit dip. It's a little better than Alright y'all, that is it for... Let me turn this off. That is it for day 5 of Vlogmas. I'm finna sit here and eat my fruit dip, play my game, either play Cuphead or play the Bratz game some more that I played in yesterday's video while these files download, so I can edit them later tonight and get this video up for y'all tomorrow. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, please. And thank you. And make sure your post notifications are on so you don't ever miss when I post, because you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. So make sure your post notifications are on, and I will see y'all in my next video, Vlogmas Day 6. Bye.